Good afternoon. Everybody take a seat. Let's get going. How's everybody today? I'm sorry. How is everybody today? Okay. Terrific. Terrific. Listen, first of all, any resemblance? Anybody notice a resemblance? How fitting. One, this is not an early run at Halloween, nor is it an attempt to do a creative intro into a study of the famous Hathaway ad man from David Ogilvy. I had a little accident this weekend, and fortunately, via some emergency laser eye surgery, I think I'm going to be fine, but it does mean I will be coming to you virtually this week. However, I think that's kind of fitting, given the discussion that we had last week about the whole idea of virtual classrooms and education technology. And in fact, that's going to be the continuing theme for today's class. You have a very brief assignment, and this is pretty simple, and it's really think work. I want you to really think creatively about some of these issues we discussed. And here's kind of the idea, and I'll give you a bit of a hypothetical, okay? First of all, last week, our guest speaker, Rob Rubel, who's the Chief Innovation Officer at Apollo, we talked a lot about all of these dramatic changes in how education is being delivered and how then you have to change the marketing of that product. In his case, it was the University of Phoenix, but we discussed at great length all the different ways and the potential benefits in which learning in the future might be delivered, whether it's on demand, which of course fits my schedule, a mobile device where I can get sort of anywhere, anytime learning on my smartphone, and virtual classrooms like MOOCs and just traditional online learning, where you could take classes, you could collaborate with people literally around the globe. So here's your assignment. This is a hypothetical. I have no inside information that we're doing this at the University of Texas. This is pure hypothetical. Let's pretend it's the fall of 2017, and you're a new freshman at the University of Texas. All these changes in education technology have forced many universities to put more and more of their classes online and available on demand. In response, the University of Texas has just launched the most comprehensive online degree program that's considered the best and the most progressive anywhere in the nation. In fact, every single class in the UT schedule is now available online. And students, you, are given the option to attend class in person or participate virtually. Every degree and every class has a virtual option so that live class attendance has now become purely at your discretion. Even final exams can be taken in real time online. In short, your degree program can be achieved with 100% in-class or traditional attendance, 100% virtual participation where you got your entire degree online, or any mixing and matching of the two. Your option. I'd like you to share your thoughts regarding one of the following, just one of the following. Take either the pro or the con. Pro, this new online option is a very positive development for students and the university alike because and give me 3 primary reasons that you think this new development is a good idea. Or the con. This new option is not a good idea due to these primary reasons or problems. Now, write an essay, 100%, write your essay in a 12-point font, single-spaced, 400 to 500 words. This is a single page. You can turn it in electronically or by hand, and it will be due no later than 3:45, that's 15 minutes after class starts, next week. Okay? Grace will have the details. Now, she will be in class for you today to answer any additional questions that you might have. I would encourage you to do the assignment while you're here today, but you are not required. It is not due for 1 week from today. Okay, listen, I hope you guys have a great week. I genuinely miss seeing you live and in person. Have a wonderful time this weekend. And, of course, hook 'em, beat OU. I'll see you soon.